Okay, so in this video, we're going to be talking about some Thule bike products. Really cool. It can be a little bit confusing, but don't worry, I'm Ellie from Magic Beans, and I'm going to break it all down for you. If you want to get out and about with your child, and you don't want to be running, but you want to be on a bike, maybe you want to do like serious biking, like for many miles, or maybe just want to like ride to the playground or to the supermarket with your child, you should be thinking about some Thule bike products. We know Thule, it's like T-H-U-L-E, Thule. You see those like luggage mounts on top and the ski racks and all that stuff. These people really know how to make gear, and I'm gonna talk about the Yepp Mini, the Yepp Mini Nexxt, a Thule RideAlong. Oh great, I'm so glad you found us as you're trying to fiddle and try to figure out which one is right for you. This is going to help you figure it all out. Okay, so let's start from the beginning. This is the Thule Yepp Mini Nexxt. That's a whole lot of words. So the Thule Yepp Mini, as you can see, goes in the front of your stroller. I'm sorry, in the front of your bicycle. It starts at 9 months, it goes to 33 pounds. So this is for your little baby. And the cool thing about having it in the front is that you can watch your baby and you know what they're doing. They have this little, cute little hand holding situation to make sure that your child is comfortable. And it also has this extra, first of all, beautiful design of it, bright, vibrant colors, and this really good bicycle helmet material, which makes it extra safe. And because we are concerned about safety always. And it also has really, really cool magnetic 5-point harness. And you can see it just magnetizes right on there. And to remove it, it's super, super safe. You push it down and you push it in. Now it's gonna take a little bit of, it's not hard to do, but point is your little baby can't get themselves out, and it just unmagnetizes really, really simply. Also, if you don't have your baby with you, all you have to do is reach under and the thing just removes super, super easily, and also really easily to adjust the legs as your child gets bigger. So really, really well engineered, really well designed, and it pops right back on. And it pops in, and there's a little red tab that goes in to make sure that it's securely on there. So this is the Nexxt variety. There's also a basic Thule Mini that doesn't have that sort of magnetized clasp, and also doesn't have that material. Oh, you're wondering what that looks like? Let me take you over to the Yepp. So the mini version of a regular Yepp is this. So this is the Yepp. It's the more full-size one, also starts at 9 months, but it goes to 6 years old. It goes to 48 pounds. So if you want to take your 3-year-old, your 4-year-old, your 5-year-old along with you on a bike for the day, you can use your Yepp. So the Yepp comes in this regular variety. It also comes in that Nexxt variety, again, with the magnetized clothes and that sort of bike helmet type extra material. But if you want to get like a regular Yepp, this is a product that you should be considering. You can see it has this nice ventilation on the back, so your child won't get hot in the summer. Also really easy to remove. Let me show you how to do that. On the back here, push in the red, and you start turning the knob, turn, it is off, and then it pops right off, so really easy to get off. Now, just so you know, if you can see on this bike that I have here as a demonstration, there is a regular bike plate. This one happens to be made by Thule, obviously, and there is a specific adapter for the Thule Yepp. So if you have a regular bike plate on your bike, you need to get this specific adapter to make your Yepp or your Yepp Nexxt work on the back of your bike. You can also get a frame mount adapter and a Yepp product that looks like this, that doesn't attach like this on the back, but attaches to the frame mount in the middle of the bike. Just a different type of connection point depending how your bike is set up and what is right for you and for your family. Now these are for more performance-oriented parents who are looking for like long rides and are really out and about a lot. If you're looking for a more recreational product, they also make a product called a RideAlong. Let me show it to you. So you have your RideAlong. It is recreational, it's easy, it's comfortable for a child, it even reclines. So your child can take a nap when you're riding around, so great. So to attach your Thule RideAlong, all you do is use these two different bars, just like click right in the middle of this bike mount adapter, and you are good to go. All of these different Thule products are available to buy from Magic Beans with free shipping. If you have any questions about the Thule Yepp Mini, the Mini Nexxt, the Yepp Nexxt, or the RideAlong, book a consultation with one of our experts. We're happy to walk you through step by step If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you at the next video.